this trill nigga spirit. When opportunity knocked, the nigga was hard of hearing. Nah, who is it? Just my dream and my vision. Like the wings on a pigeon, I catch the wind and I'm drifting. I'm out of here. Tell them stuck niggas I'm on a mission. Tried to tell them, but none of my niggas wanted to listen. Tried to get at a shout, he just wasn't feeling my pimpin'. Now I didn't give up and let the game go. I'm gon' show up and dish show out, so let them lames know. Right? Cause I've been through way too much and I never gave a fuck to what they saying about me. And I was taught if you gon' ride, then ride till you die. Because the grass ain't always greener on that other side. That's right. So I'd rather live loyal than die with my pride. I told my niggas that it's gon' be a hell of a ride. See, this gon' be a hell of a ride. Cause I can feel the fire burning inside. And they gon' hate me if I'm dead or alive. Hey, so forever I grind. And this gon' be a hell of a ride. Cause I can feel the fire burning inside. And they gon' hate me if I'm dead or alive. Hey, so forever I grind.
It's been a long road, I switch lanes often. When little shit happen, made big things off 'em. I ain't a bad driver, just had some flawed riders. And shoulda saw what I ain't see, pulling them all-nighters. I spit my life into this mic, it's like I talk to fate. I just want my slice, and these actors act like they bought the cake. I don't know what love is, but I received the hate. I could've fucked the game way early, but we agreed to wait. Eating on my feet, dealing with high stakes. I promise that I'll ride and vow to never change, I'll die lace. Hated on like there's nothing to no one left to hate. The world is on my shoulders, I'm soldier, I bench press the weight. Ask me and I'm the hottest rapper up to date. But deep down I know I got a long way to go for great. But make no mistake that I'ma ride until the tires blow. My flow spark a match, then I relax and watch the fire grow. I ride.
See, this gon' be a hell of a ride. Cause I can feel the fire burning inside. And they gon' hate me if I'm dead or alive. Hey, so forever I grind. And this gon' be a hell of a ride. Cause I can feel the fire burning inside. And they gon' hate me if I'm dead or alive. Hey, so forever I grind. That's forever and a day, bro. I've been that same nigga that I was from the day before. I done came a long way, but I still got a long way to go. Niggas know I don't fuck with them, and that's why they trying to play me close. I don't even much know you. You can never ever say we folk. My niggas lost niggas. You ain't felt that kind of pain before. Damn, that kind of shit supposed to bring you close. Y'all like my family, so I love my team even more. And I've been meaning to let these demons that I'm seeing go. I stay scheming, but it's cream. I'm still a dreamer though. That's right, a better life, that's what I'm dreaming for. Blinded by the bullshit, but I still manage to see the dough. And we only discuss things that's a need to know. Regardless of the circumstance,